Friends, in this video, we are going to install Laravel 12 from scratch on Windows. So there are few steps that we are going to take to install Laravel 12. We can download the XAMPP or WAMP or any other Apache server for Laravel 12. And these are the steps that we are going to take. We are going to download and install the latest XAMPP version. Start Apache and MySQL from XAMPP control panel. Check your PHP version using the following command php-v. So our PHP version must be equal to 8.2 or higher. So this is the link apachefriends.org. We can open this link, click on download. If you want to install the XAMPP for Windows, then you must go for the latest version, that is the 8.2.12. For PHP 8.2. For Linux, you must go for the latest version, that once again for PHP 8.2. Okay, and for Mac operating system, once again you are required to download the latest version. Okay, so after download, we can install the XAMPP. So straight away, I'm going to download for this one the latest XAMPP. Okay, I'm going to download it. So it will take few seconds to download it. So here I'm going to check my drives. We are going to install the XAMPP where XAMPP is not already installed. See, in my D drive, XAMPP is already installed. So I'm not going to install here. I'm going to install in E drive. Here there is no XAMPP at all. So this is the fresh installation of XAMPP. If you don't have any XAMPP so far, and for the new users who are not having XAMPP on their system, so they can install the XAMPP straight away. I'm going to click and will start its process. We'll click on run, click on yes, click on OK, click on next once again, next. And here we are required to specify the drive where we want to install the XAMPP. I'm going to specify the E drive as I want to install this app on E drive, and we'll click on next. I will select the language as English. Once again, I will click on next and the app will start installing. It will take few minutes to install this app. Click on allow. XAMPP installation is done. We are going to click on finish and we'll run the control panel now. Here you can see Apache and MySQL. We are going to run Apache and MySQL from here. Click on allow once again for MySQL. We're going to check the version of PHP. Here you can see the PHP version is 8.2.12. So it is the latest version that is required for Laravel 12. Now the XAMPP has been installed on our system. Now we are going to install the Composer. Composer is required to install Laravel and manage PHP dependencies. So we are going to download Composer from this website, getcomposer.org. There is the direct Windows setup as well, and we can click on the setup to install the Composer directly on our Windows. And these are the steps that we are going to take to install Composer. Download and install Composer. Select the PHP path inside XAMPP. Verify the installation using Composer. So from here we are going to click on download, and here for Windows we will just simply install this file composer setups.exe. We have the separate video for installing the Composer in Mac operating system as well, so you can watch that video if you are on Mac operating system. Okay, so I'm going to simply download this one, or it will take few seconds, and we'll run this file, Composer file. We'll click on run, install for all users, click on yes, So I'm going to install in developer mode, click on next, and I'm going to install it in my E drive. As in E drive, I'm going to install the composer, and here I'm going to set the path. Okay, path, yes, I'm going to set the E drive path inside the XAMPP, inside the PHP and php.exe. Okay, I will set the path of my new XAMPP that I have just installed and click on next. So it will take few seconds to install the composer on my system on drive E where my XAMPP is located. So we are going to click on finish. So the composer has been installed. Now in our next step, we will verify the installation of the composer. We will go to the XAMPP folder once again in E drive, XAMPP where we have installed the composer and XAMPP control panel. We'll start Apache as well as the MySQL, and in shell, I'm going to run the composer to check the composer installation. Here you can see the composer has been installed. Finally, we are ready to install Laravel 12, and there are two methods to install Laravel 12. We are going to follow this first method to install Laravel 12. So this is the command that we are going to run to install Laravel 12. So we will go to our folder where we have installed the XAMPP. In our E drive, XAMPP we have installed. Inside the XAMPP, we can see the htdocs folder, and I am going to run here inside htdocs. I'm going to run that show more options and open git bash here. And here I'm going to run this command. And the last one is for the project name that I'm going to rename. I'm going to make it like Laravel 12 and we'll enter. And here you can see the Laravel 12 installation has been started. You can see that it is installing Laravel framework 12.0.0. Also, you can install the git bash, download git bash. So git bash is like the command prompt. So it will help you to run the artisan and composer command. So you can install the git bash for Windows from here, and after installing the git bash you can simply right click and show more options in Windows. Actually I'm using the Windows 11. Okay, so uh, so you can find in any of the Windows version, you can right click and can find this open git bash here. You can simply click here. Here you can run your artisan as well as the composer commands. You can find all these instructions under video as well. If something is not clear, then you can also comment. So we can see our Laravel 12 has been installed. Now we are going to run. We will go inside the folder cd Laravel 12, and now we are going to run with our artisan command, that is php artisan serve. And here we can see it is running fine. So we are going to run this URL. And here we can see the Laravel 12 has been installed on our system, and we can see let's get started. Laravel has been incredibly rich ecosystem. We suggest starting with the following. So we can read the documentation after clicking on this link. It will take to Laravel 11, but we can change to the Laravel 12 and can also follow the steps here. So the Laravel 12 has been finally installed, and very soon we are going to start multi-vendor e-commerce series in Laravel 12. So please subscribe as well as join this Tech Developers YouTube channel. Once again, I will tell you that this is the channel youtube.com/tech developers. You can subscribe as well as join the channel to get the complete source code. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Goodbye.